Hey
Okay,
girl.
you guys, I'm in PetSmart, and this is the Carefresh spray that I always use. But I really like everybody to use, what do you call it? Petco. Because Petco will tell you a lot about stuff. So, now we're just looking
Can't
for
pass me.
animal food for my little hamster. So, here we go.
Found it?
Okay. Okay. I have this, but I don't have that. Okay, have this.
That's kind of like the one
Oh, those are cute. It's cute too.
Okay, children. For mine, I want to get.
Hey, Mom. Let me see. Let me see how much is for the Fiesta. No, that's not it. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be right back. Okay. Okay. Here is the food. Sorry about that. Let me see how much is shredded. So I really use this.
$4.49.
The
What about this?
Salty Diet on this. Let me see. How much is this?
$4.49.
I use this. 4.79. Okay. Oh, and I'm gonna put.
This one's for $3.99.
I'm gonna put this in what I want. Put it back for her little sight, and I will definitely use this. Okay. And maybe cook and clean instant shampoo. I don't know what it's supposed to do, but it's not much. Okay, Mom. Mom, I'm gonna choose this maybe.
Okay. Let me see.
See?
It has sunflower seeds in it.
Hmm? No. Well, she really likes sunflower seeds, so that would be good for her if it has sunflower. Here's one. Sunflower seeds. Hold on, let me see.
This one has it.
Oh.
Let's go.
Okay. Mom, what about this for next time? This with this.
Okay.
I want to get this with this,
Okay.
so she can take that thing. Oh, yeah. Okay. That's it for today. Bye, you guys. Ooh, ooh.